So, mayong gabi din ha sa Pilipinas. Niya napunta karon magbanha-banha ko sa ato ang page, guys. Unya, palihog kog subscribes ninyo, guys. So karon ang atong i-demo is about a brand, Sephora. So as you can see, yun yung Sephora brand ko, is the whole makeup yun. Ako nang giandam para dili ta maabsan sa oras. Para dili ta maabsan sa oras. So today I'm going to promote the Sephora brand. Okay. So, as you can see, ni ana diri tanan. So, we're going to start on my foundation at Sephora. So, I like the brand of Sephora. Okay, I like the brand of the Sephora because every time I use it, it's matte siya. Okay, I'm going to use my phone as a mirror. So nakita niyo siya kung unsa siya kanindot. Pwede na siya dili mag foundation, powder foundation. Kasi ano na siya. Okay, so ato lang siyang ikuan pag-ayo. You have to spread out really good. Unta maklaro ninyo sa samin. Put my eyelashes. It takes time talaga pag mag-makeup, guys. Huwag kayong masyadong magmamadali pag nagme-makeup. But I teach you guys how to make a makeup 5 minutes to 7 minutes. Right? Yesterday. Okay. So this is my Sephora makeup. Parang kulang pa yata. So that's my face. That's my face. From Sephora brand. If you guys have comment below. Thank you.